Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the simplest hardware causes. First, power cycle both monitor and PC. This clears transient faults. Once done, inspect and reset the video cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, because a loose contact often produces color flashing. If that doesn't help, swap to a known good cable or try a different monitor port or a second device. This tells you whether the issue lies in the display or in the graphics output. Make sure to note which change fixes it. Next, you tackle software and configuration causes because drivers and settings directly control color output. Update your GPU drivers using the vendor app or roll back if the problem started after a recent update. Then, open display settings and confirm the refresh rate. Color depth and resolution match the monitor's native specs. Mismatches can cause artifacts. Disable hardware acceleration in browsers or media apps and test the display in Windows Safe mode to rule out third-party conflicts. This narrows down driver versus application causes. Finally, you perform decisive fixes to complete the repair. Reset the monitor's OSD to factory defaults, and if the manufacturer provides firmware updates, apply them. Firmware can fix panel timing issues. Power down and reset the GPU. Check PCIe power cables and test with an alternate graphics card when possible. If flashing persists after these steps, consider a clean OS reinstall to eliminate software corruption, and if unresolved, contact the monitor or GPU manufacturer for warranty service. This is the last reliable path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.